Hey dear viewers, welcome back to the Guardian's Choice. Warm weather is returning, and with it comes some less than favorable visitors, pests. If you find your home being invaded by a variety of creepy crawlies, chances are strong you're already thinking about how to get rid of them. There are many ways to make your home for those who live in a rural area or an area where there are not many pet-friendly pets. The good news is that pest control doesn't have to mean harmful chemicals, as plenty of options for reclaiming your home are safe and natural. Chemical formulated insects aren't just bad for the critters, they're also harmful to you and your pets. However, avoiding toxic ingredients does not mean that flies, spiders, mice, and other pests get to take up residence in your house. Fortunately, there are easy ways to keep different pests at bay, and you have all of them at home already. Number 1. Block flies with basil. Flies hate the smell of basil. To discourage them, place pots of basil at doorways and windowsills and on the kitchen counter. Don't have enough sun for potted basil? Put dried basil in a small muslin pouch, rubbing it occasionally to keep the scent strong. Number 2. Scare off spiders with citrus. Citrus peels have a light and refreshing scent which makes them a great option for natural pest control. Citrus peels will keep away pests like spiders, ants, and mosquitoes. All you have to do is rub the peels on any problem areas you have. Doorways, windowsills, and bookshelves are examples of areas that can benefit from quick citrus rubdown. As an added bonus, citrus peels make a wonderful furniture polish for wood surfaces. Number 3. Avoid ants with vinegar. If you've cleaned up any food sources that may be attracting ants but they still keep coming, white vinegar is the perfect solution. When ants come through your home, they leave a trail of pheromones that alerts other ants. Even once you get rid of the source, other ants will still be following that trail. The trick is to destroy the chemical trail. Once the scent trail is gone, ants will begin looking for other sources of food, keeping your home ant-free. Number 4. Battle roaches with borax. Use the classic laundry powder 20 ml team borax to expel roaches from your house. In small containers, mix equal parts borax and sugar, and then leave them around windows, cracks, baseboards, and anywhere else you've spotted the bugs. The sugar attracts the roaches while the borax dehydrates and poisons them. Number 5. Eliminate fruit flies with dish soap. Trap fruit flies with this simple approach. Fill a glass 3/4 full with vinegar or cider vinegar, then add 6 to 8 drops of dishwashing liquid, and fill to the top with warm water. Gruesomely effective. Number 6. Combat mosquitoes with catnip. Cats love it. Mosquitoes? Not so much. According to a study from Scientific Reports, catnip essential oil repels mosquitoes more effectively than DEET. Apply undiluted catnip oil to the skin for up to 2 hours of protection. Number 7. Repel fleas with salt. Alternately salting and vacuuming your floors will kill flea eggs. But since fleas have a 3-day reproduction cycle, you have to be diligent. Salt every day for 9 days and vacuum every 3rd day. Don't forget to empty the vacuum every time, or the live ones will crawl right back out again. Number 8. Diminish dust mites with cinnamon oil. Cinnamon can be used outside of your house around entrances to keep bugs from entering. Pests, especially ants, won't cross the cinnamon line. You can also use cinnamon inside on counters and other surfaces to cover up scent trails left by ants. Just sprinkle some in any problem areas and you'll have natural pest control. Mix several drops into a 50-50 solution of water and denatured alcohol. Spray bedding, carpets, and any other places where dust tends to collect. Number 9. Fake out wasps with a fake nest. Wasps are incredibly territorial and will not build a nest within 20 yards of another one. To build or buy online your own fake nest. It's like a scarecrow for wasps. Hang one in the front yard and one in the back, and you're done. Number 10. Deter deer with a bar of soap. Who would call Bambi a pest? A gardener. Many have had luck deterring deer with a bar of soap, like Irish Spring. Hang it or spike it to a stake near things that deer like to eat. Alternatively, sprinkle shavings or small chunks on the ground. Number 11. Feed mice to the owls. A pair of barn owls and their brood can eat over 3,000 mice in a nesting season. Attract them to your property with an owl box, if a quiet rafter or tree crook is not available. Should the food supply be dependable, the same owls may return season after season. Number 12. Herbs. Not only are herbs totally natural, but they're also extremely easy to grow. Planting herbs such as mint, lemongrass, or citronella plants near entrances to your home will stop pests from ever getting inside. The strong herb scents will repel them and they'll have to find another place to invade. Mint grows quickly and loves to spread, so you'll want to give this herb its own space to grow in, like a garden box or container. Number 13. Cucumber. Ants have a natural aversion to cucumber, so placing cucumber slices or peels near entrances will do wonders for keeping ants outside where they belong. Ants aren't the only insects who hate cucumber. Moths, mites, wasps, and silverfish will also try to avoid cucumber. Remember to replace cucumber slices frequently, as rotting food might actually attract more pests. The bitter peels may be more efficient, so just use a vegetable peeler to remove some of the peel and place this peel anywhere you have problems with pests. Number 14. Diatomaceous earth. It is a talc-like powder that's made from the fossilized remains of tiny marine phytoplankton. It is not a poison, it works by causing abrasions in the exoskeleton of insects. Once the powder works its way into the insect's body, they dehydrate and die. While it is natural, you should wear a mask when working with the powder because inhaling it could irritate your lungs. You can purchase it at most garden centers or online at Amazon. Number 15. Peppermint oil. Spiders absolutely hate peppermint. You can create a solution of peppermint oil and water to spray around areas where you've seen spiders before. Not only is this method totally safe for homes with children, but it also leaves a nice minty fresh smell for you to enjoy. Find essential oils through our affiliates here or here. Number 16. Lemon and orange. The citrus smell of fruits like oranges and lemons drives pests away. Make a spray by adding lemon juice, orange essential oils, and liquid soap to a glass of water. Spray this natural pest repellent all around the house and say hello freshness. Number 17. Tea tree and eucalyptus oil. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in a glass of water and spray it in your garden as well as inside the house. Pests despise the smell of eucalyptus oil so much that as long as you do this regularly, their numbers will drastically reduce. You can also wipe cupboard doors and window panes with a cotton ball soaked in eucalyptus oil. Number 18. Scented candles. Buy scented candles or prepare them at home by mixing essential oils in melted wax. Light them near doors and windows during evening hours to keep bugs from entering. Try using oils like lavender oil, citronella oil, and clove oil in candles to get homemade pest control for the home. Number 19. Garlic. If you don't mind the smell of garlic, get a few fresh cloves, peel them, and place them on book racks to repel pests. Make sure you replace them with fresh ones when they dry. You can even sprinkle garlic powder. It's a natural pesticide for roaches and ants. Number 20. Cloves. If ladybugs are taking over an area of your home, place some bags of cloves or sprinkle some clove oil in heavily infested areas. Ladybugs don't like strong scents and will evacuate quickly. Then vacuum or sweep up the cloves. Number 21. Onion. It may be an old wives' tale, but it works. To keep spiders away, slice up some onions and toss them in a bowl of water. Place the bowl where spiders enter your home and they'll stay away. Number 22. Cornmeal. Seeing ants? Place small piles of cornmeal down wherever you see ants. Ants like to eat the cornmeal and they will take it back to their colony, but they can't digest it. It may take a few days to work, but if you have pets, it's a non-toxic solution. Number 23. Apple cider vinegar. If those pesky fruit flies are invading your kitchen, grab a small bowl and pour in a little apple cider vinegar. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and punch a couple pencil lead-sized holes in the plastic. The fruit flies will be attracted to the vinegar and they can get in but not out. Number 24. Banana peel. Are aphids taking over your garden? Just place a banana peel under the soil near the stems of your plants. This will not only deter the bugs, but it will add some nutrients to the soil. Number 25. Flowers. Flowers such as marigold and rosemary repel mosquitoes. Citronella grass is also an effective home remedy for pest control. If the area around your home is a hotbed of annoying insects, grow these flowers in your garden. This will not only keep mosquitoes from entering your home but will also add to the charm of your outdoor space. Using organic pest control methods, you can keep insects away without worrying about the dangerous side effects of store-bought chemicals. They may take time to work and require you to do them regularly, but they're far safer, and that's a welcome trade-off, right? So, what do you think? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Give a thumbs up and share. Also, subscribe to The Guardian's Choice. Wait. What kind of choices are we? If we don't tell you about our other awesome videos, go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.